Hello YouTube. Today we're going to do a quick review of the Eonon UA13SK-Plus. As you can see, it has a volume knob. Now we're going to first start off. We'll start off with the music player. As you can see. Alrighty, what you just saw there. EQ settings. Equalizer, flat, voice, custom, rock, pop, jazz, classic, I already said classic, back to flat. DSP's up here. You can see all the settings. Pretty neat if you don't say. Some of your apps. Maps, Google, email, screen mirroring. Nobody use screen mirroring anymore. Got torque, weekly study. Not really sure what that is. CarPlay, APK installer. YouTube.
Essence, vitamin C, serums, eye cream.
Yeah, that was a quick breather for Curry. He is in with 4:53 left. Steve Kerr told us before the game fatigue was going to be the biggest factor. But Sean Livingston was thrown out of this game with 2 quick technical fouls. And Curry's had to shoulder a big load here in the second half.
But you said it earlier. Ian Clark gave him some nice solid minutes.
YouTube. Video player.
You'll always be a baseball player. But it's not all you were. It's not why I fell in love with you. But don't look back. Remember? This is all we need.
Let's see what else we got here. Settings. Two which I don't have on. Got your themes. See which one we change it to. Theme. We'll do this one. But you know what? I like the original one better though. Look at this one. Okay. Go back to the original one. Now we're going to try Android Auto. I tried Apple CarPlay. It did not work. I'm not really sure what the deal is. I'm not really sure if my iPhone was older or if it was a software issue with the radio. I'm not sure, but I couldn't get it to work. You can't connect it wirelessly. It's only wires. You can't connect it wired, excuse me. But you can't connect it wirelessly. It's the only way. As we set up Android Auto. Oh, okay. Well, it would help if I had the phone on. Give me just a second here. All right, guys, give me a second. I'll be right back as soon as I set this up. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Android Auto. I know it's a little hard to tap the screen. Apps, Bluetooth, phone calls, contacts, front camera. Of course, I don't have one hooked up. Calculator, don't know why you would need that. Calendar, not sure why you would need that either. Bluetooth music. I'm not really sure. I guess it has something to do with Android Auto. It might be interfering with it. But yeah, like I said, y'all, not much to this. It's the Eonon UA13SK-Plus volume knob. Oh, one more thing. This picture of a telephone, I think, down here. See what that is. Oh, okay. It goes directly to your dialer. Alrighty. Navigation button. Go straight to navigation. Okay, pretty neat. I think it's a decent little unit, you guys. Just 6 gigs of RAM. I do have a little trouble pushing the buttons because it's got the screen protector on here. I'm not really sure. But if you got this unit, let me know in the comments how it's working for you. Well, until next time, guys. Have a good one.